See, we have one philosophy with which waste management in Goa is progressing. We have zero landfill and zero waste campaign, through which this is done. Many municipalities have achieved good success, and they are actually segregating at source almost 100%. There are a few municipalities who are lagging behind. Ami Vasco municipality is segregation करपाक कितें जाय कसो सपोर्ट जाय हें दिवपाक रेडी आसा. पूण म्युनिसिपॅलिटी मार्फत डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन जावचें, डोर टू डोर सेग्रिगेटेड कलेक्शन जावचें. आमी म्हणटा म्हण न्हय, म्युनिसिपल सॉलिड वेस्ट रूल्स 2016 चेंज जाल्ले आसा. डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन कंपल्सरी जाल्लें आसा. सेग्रिगेशन एट सोर्स कंपल्सरी जाल्लें आसा. ह्यो दोन गोश्टी तो म्युनिसिपॅलिटी करना जाल्यार फुडें रिसायकलिंग करपाक हे बायोमिथेनेशन कॉम्पोस्टिंग करपाक जावचें ना. दिस इज द ओनली सोल्युशन. जायत्योच्यो म्युनिसिपॅलिटी करता, जायत्योच्यो पंचायती सुंदर तरेकेन हें रिसायकलिंग आनी हें सेग्रिगेशन चालू आसा. हें वास्को जावंक जाय आनी हें जाल्यार मागीर हे माउंटन ऑफ वेस्ट जे जाता हे मिथेनेशन जावन उजो पेट्टा हें जावचें ना. The success of any local body lies in segregating waste at source, collecting and transporting at source. We are giving all assistance in terms of technology, in terms of support. But the basic function of a local body to collect waste in a segregated fashion has to be done by the local body. Till this is achieved, I don't think any local body will achieve any success. We have set up the Saligaon Waste Management facility. It is running well. We are setting up the second facility at Kursare Kakora. Very soon the work will start. We think within these two plants most of the waste will be treated, but segregation is a key. Point two is that we want to set up decentralized facilities at various areas. One such dry waste segregation facility is set up at Bicholim, which will cater to Bicholim and Sattari talukas. We have a baling of dry waste facility at Verna, one more baling facility at Kursare. So facilities are there. We are just asking local bodies to give us segregated dry waste, we will take it.